You may be wondering what the hell is going on. Well, I'm doing the exact same thing. I'm making a birthday cake for my boy, my dog. So I already filmed a few steps of this video, but apparently my camera and my card are not working and now it's not showing me the data. So I really hope everything you see now does work. If you're seeing it, it did. So what I have here is a lot of dust that's at the bottom of a bag of food for the dogs. I added water and I smooshed it all together. I believe the brand of the food I use is Prince, but I'm not entirely sure, and I threw away the package so I can't see it anymore. But I put it in this little container, added water, started smooshing it all together till it's a nice thick paste. So I have made a little shape rectangly, and yeah, that's how far I was. I also have some meat that I want to add from Pedigree, some Denta sticks from Pedigree, and this is a biscuit that I'm gonna dust up to nothing. I kinda want to use this for the sides. Okay, it's sticking to the bottom, so that's good. Oh, it's sliding. Oh, it's sliding. I hope everyone is safe and well and staying home. I just thought in these hard times, like this feels like a freaking horror movie, that in these hard times that we can use something fun and light. So yeah, I wanted to make a birthday cake. Okay, it's kind of sticking to the sides, but also kind of not. Is there anyone else that has ever made a birthday cake for their dog? Please let me know if I'm not the only one. I want to break this into 4 pieces. Push it down in every side. So these things I'm using right now are like brushing their feet. They're really good for their feet. Okay, be honest with me. If you were a dog, would you be excited? Yeah. Let's scoop the leftover stuff out. Someone's excited. You're not getting this until your dad gets home. I'm putting that in the middle so that I can use some cat food. Yes, we also have cats. I've never been so excited to make something. Like normally I don't like standing in the kitchen, but this is not really cooking and this is more fun. I'm actually making something that people will enjoy. Well, not people, dogs. Yes, you're excited. Let's just put the meat around that. I'm so quiet, I'm really focused on doing this. Wow. You want to have a taste? I think this is it. Like, I really don't know what else to add. I don't want to make it too much because they're probably gonna get diarrhea or something, but yeah. I'm really excited to see if they're excited. Well, it's food, so of course they're gonna get excited. And I can't talk. What is that? Here's your birthday cake. So aggressive, oh my god.
Look at it.
Hey, listen up, little turd. I made you that cake. You're gonna eat it. Who's a good birthday boy? You are.
We have a guest. We have a guest who wants to eat. What do you...
I don't want to be here. He stole it all. Honey, you want to have a piece? You don't? Oh. On a scale of 1 to 11, what do you rate this birthday cake? Hey, ma'am. Ma'am. Hey, ma'am. Why are you walking away? Give me your opinion, please. I want to thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if not already, and hit the notification bell so be notified every time I upload. I love you and I hope to see you next time. Bye!